steak, fresh fruit, fajita veggies, all in a single bite, prepped in under 10 minutes? Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, it's time. Let's learn how to make steak kebabs on the grill. Each bite more delicious than the last.
Hey friends, welcome back. Vince here. Today we're doing a dish that might just be the perfect backyard barbecue food. Yeah, you guessed right, we're doing steak kebabs today, baby. So there's just something so delicious about taking some meat, some fruit, a little bit of vegetables and putting it on a stick, grilling it up. Doesn't get any better on a hot summer day. Friends, if you haven't already, I ask that you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I make new delicious recipes on Thursdays. So today, we're going to be using two different types of delicious grass-fed beef. We're going to be using some grass-fed ribeye and some grass-fed sirloin. So we're going to have a little bit of fat, a little bit of lean. It's going to come together perfect. So we're going to start by seasoning our grass-fed beef. I'm going to take some black Hawaiian lava sea salt, just some sea salt with some activated charcoal, a little bit of black pepper, and then some organic garlic and herb seasoning. Give it a good flip to the other side. Make sure to rub it all in. This seasoning has a melody of dried vegetables that just go perfect with this. So now we just want to cut our meat into some manageable sized chunks for our steak kebabs. So for the ribeye, we're looking for a slice like that, and then we're just going to cube it.
As you can see, ribeye steaks are a fattier cut of meat. So we're going to mix some grass-fed sirloin with our ribeye for these steak kebabs. Then, once all our meat is chopped up, we're going to come in with one last layer of seasoning to make sure our meat is coated perfect. Next, set aside your meat and grab a green pepper. We want to cut this up small enough that the pieces can be eaten as individual bites, but large enough that they don't burn up on the grill. We're looking for some medium-sized chunks of pepper. Then, once our pepper is sliced up, we're going to rough chop an onion and some pineapple. Once we have all of our ingredients prepped and ready, it's time to put together these steak kebabs. Now let me show you how I like to handle this. When I'm getting my steak kebabs ready for the grill, I like to do two things. I like to make sure there's plenty of meat on each and every one, and then I also like to switch it up so not every kebab is exactly the same. Some kebabs I'll load up with just pineapple and steak. Others, I'll put a bit of everything on. An easy way to mix it up and make sure that every kebab hits just a bit different. When I'm loading it up, I also want to make sure to use a mix of ribeye and sirloin that we prepared. That's going to give us the perfect mix we're looking for. This dish is perfect for your backyard barbecue or house party. Whether you prepare it as an appetizer for a group or a main course for yourself, it's for sure going to be one of your favorites on the grill. I promise you. And when we're done with our prep, this is what our kebabs look like. These have me hungry when we haven't even thrown them on the grill yet. So that's all there is left to do. Get your grill nice and hot and throw your kebabs on a medium heat. These cook fast, especially if you cut up your meat into smaller chunks. We also want to make sure that the sticks don't burn. 3 to 5 minutes on each side is all it takes. Once your pineapple starts to caramelize and your meat has begun to char up a little bit, it's time to eat. This is perfect finger food, folks. No forks required. And if you know me, I love to eat with my hands anyway.
All right, let's see how we did. These look delicious. I gotta go with a piece of steak first. We snuck in a green pepper on that bite, and I'm not complaining. Oh, that was definitely the ribeye. Let's try this pineapple. There's one thing you gotta include on your steak kebabs, pineapple. Outstanding. It's just as good as it's going to get, honestly. And while I like using lean meat for this, at the same time, the fat from the ribeye, you ain't going to beat it. That's why I like to do a mix of both. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, stay tuned for more videos, and thanks again.
Thanks for watching. I hope to earn your subscription. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found value from it.